In this tutorial, we will learn flowchart for whether the number is positive or negative. So let's start. Here, the input variable count is equal to 1. That is, one input will be there. So we can write here input the number equal to A. So next, the positive number means it is greater than 0. So here, before we start the flowchart, we must understand what is the logic. The logic, it can be greater than 0, it can be equal to 0, or it can be less than 0. Let's consider the first condition. A is greater than 0. This is a decision box. So it can have true condition and false condition. True condition means S. If it is S, then we can write the number is positive. That is display positive number, and we can close or end the flowchart. So next we'll move the false condition, that is no. So if it is no, then second condition will be there, A equal to 0. So it is also a decision. It can be true, it can be false. So if it is true, that is S, then we can write display the number equal to 0. And we can end the flowchart. Now finally, it can have also false condition. Let's consider the false condition, that is no. So ultimately the final condition is there, that is A is less than 0. We can write here display the number is negative. So we can end the flowchart. So what we observe here, the number of conditions, that is possible conditions, that is A is greater than 0, A equal to 0, A is less than 0. So there are 3 conditions. So how many decision box will be there? It is there 2. That means, so number of condition, that is n minus 1, will be the number of decision box. So now we will map our program with the flowchart, because every program will be written with respect to the flowchart. So this program is written in Python program. You can use any programming language because the logic is absolute same. So this is very important point. So before we map, we will understand the program logic. So here 3 conditions are there. We analyze the 3 possible condition will be there. So A is greater than 0, or A can be less than 0, or A can be equal to 0. So what is the logic here? Logic is if condition, that is true condition. If it is else, that is false conditions. And what is elif here? Elif is nothing but the number of conditions, that is 3 conditions are there, minus 2, that is equal to number of elif condition. So this is the first input value we provide. Then the true conditions, that is if number is greater than 0. This is the decision, and if it is S, that is true condition. If is known as true condition in the program, we can write the output. So else if it is not, then we can print the number is equal to 0. So finally the condition is the else. So what this else represent, that is false condition. Else is known as a false condition. So we can print the number is negative. So from Scodeen, thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel so that we can reach to you with more interesting topics. Please like and place comments also. God bless and pray for.